Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and probably and primarily One UI 6.1 phones. So the S22, the S23, the S24, anything that has One UI 6 is going to have this capability. The tablet, I believe, will probably also have this. And that is to tap your time, the time widget, and up will come several shortcuts. So let's dive right into this. So I'm going to I turn this off, and of course, when you turn it off, it turns the screen off and everything else. So I'm going to record myself doing this on my Samsung tablet. It's the same thing. So when you get to your screen and you get to the part where you're going to put your fingerprint on, tap the time instead. And once you do that, you have all these shortcuts that come up. Okay? So you can go to the bottom, go to settings, and I'm going to draw my pattern. And then here are the different shortcuts. So you have music, and you can check them on or off. So we have weather, today's schedule, next alarm, routine, smart things, digital well-being, voice recorder. You can also reorder, tapping in the right corner here. So I do a lot of voice recording, so let's move this up to the top, and then weather will be probably the most important one to me. Let's bring the weather down. Again, like I said, you can do this on your phone. I can't because it shut off my recording. So anyway, so we just reordered it. So let's go back, and now we go to widgets. Come on. And then when we turn power on and you tap the time, there's your widgets now and reordered. And then, of course, if you want to go into your weather, you just tap it. And then there's your weather app. You can go back and go back into it again. And then there's all your different widgets. So you have access to them before even going into the device. You can get to some really important widgets and things like that. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.